Lexus NX Luxury meets Adventure Hawaii, everyone. Welcome to the world of the Lexus NX, a crossover that seamlessly blends luxury, performance, and versatility. Let's explore what makes this SUV stand out. The NX boasts a striking design that's both sporty and elegant. The signature Lexus spindle grille is a bold statement, while the sharp lines and sculpted body create a sense of athleticism. It's a car that commands attention without being overly aggressive. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that's as refined as it is functional. Premium materials and meticulous attention to detail create a luxurious atmosphere. The driver-focused cockpit is intuitive and easy to navigate. The infotainment system is responsive, with crisp graphics and seamless integration of smartphone connectivity. The NX offers a surprising level of driving engagement. With multiple driving modes, you can tailor the car's character to suit your mood. In Eco mode, prioritize fuel efficiency. In Sport mode, unleash the NX's spirited side. The ride is comfortable, yet the handling is sharp and responsive. The NX's versatility is a standout feature. Whether you're commuting to work, embarking on a weekend getaway, or hitting the city streets, it adapts effortlessly. The spacious interior accommodates passengers and cargo with ease, while the available all-wheel drive system provides confidence in varying weather conditions. Luxury isn't just about the interior, it's also about the overall ownership experience. The NX delivers on this front with exceptional build quality, advanced safety features, and a comprehensive warranty. It's a car that's designed to make your life easier and more enjoyable. The Lexus NX is a compelling choice for those seeking a blend of luxury, performance, and practicality. It's a car that elevates the everyday driving experience without sacrificing style or functionality. To action, like, share, and subscribe for more video car content.